After the government announced a reduction in petrol and diesel's excise duty, Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi Vadra today said the decision was made out of fear. This is not from the heart. Give answer to this Vasuli government in the coming elections, she tweeted. Centre had on Wednesday announced reduction in excise duty on petrol by ₹5 and diesel by ₹10. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma on Wednesday announced reduction on value-added tax on petrol and diesel by ₹7 with immediate effect. This comes after Centre announced that central excise duty on petrol and diesel will be reduced by ₹5 and ₹10 respectively, effective Thursday. The Centre had also urged the states to reduce value-added tax on petrol and diesel. Congress President Sonia Gandhi has accepted former Punjab Chief Minister Amarinder Singh's resignation from the primary membership of the party, General Secretary Organisation KC Venugopal said. He had sent his resignation to Sonia Gandhi on November 2nd, listing his reasons for the resignation. Amarinder Singh is forming his new party called Punjab Lok Congress, and the party symbol will be approved by the ECI soon. Prime Minister Narendra Modi celebrated Diwali with army soldiers in Naushera sector in Jammu and Kashmir. He also paid tribute to soldiers who lost their lives in the line of duty. Prime Minister Modi addressed the troops and exchanged Diwali sweets with them. In 2020, Prime Minister Modi had celebrated Diwali with soldiers at Longewala in Rajasthan's Jaisalmer. World's biggest greenhouse gases emitter, China, is planning at least 150 new nuclear reactors in the next 15 years, more than the rest of the world built in the past 35 years, Bloomberg reported. It could cost China $440 billion. As early as the middle of this decade, China may surpass the United States as the largest generator of nuclear power. US-based startup Wright Electric has said that its 100-seater all-electric plane for one-hour flights will be available by 2027. It plans to retrofit electric motors into a BAE 146 regional aircraft originally manufactured by BAE Systems, replacing its 4 jet engines. The aircraft would be suited to link close city pairs such as Frankfurt to Paris, New York to Boston, Paris to London, among other cities. BCCI's Cricket Advisory Committee, comprising Sulakshana Nayak and RP Singh, unanimously appointed Rahul Dravid as the head coach of India cricket team. The former India captain will take charge from the upcoming home series against New Zealand. I am hopeful that this new stint will take Indian cricket to new heights, BCCI President Sourav Ganguly said.